Hey guys, this is the Learning Tiger here, and in today's HTML tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys about the last type of list, which is called a description list. Now, now this type of list, which is a description, it's a unique type of list. Unlike the last two, this list consists of two parts. The first one being the term, and then the other part being the definition of the term, not the definition, but the description of that term. So, yeah, example would be like a name slash value pair. So let's yeah. And now, in order to the syntax for a description list is like this: DL DL slash backslash DL, and then yeah, like the last two type of lists, you need to put these two tags, this main tag, for in order to make that list. But instead, it's DL instead of OL or UL. But, however, you're instead of putting LI, you are gonna put DT. Now this stands for definition term. Yeah. The DT tag stands for, yeah, definition term. So here you're gonna put the definition. No, not the term. Yeah, the term you want to put. And then after that, yeah, after this, you're gonna put D D, and this stands for the definition description. So yeah, DD tag. That's the DD tag. So yeah, where can you use this? Well, let's say you want uh to make like an online dictionary. Yeah, I don't know if that's the thing, but or maybe like some questions. You use this. And, yeah, if you want to put like like definition, some words, and you want to put the meaning of the words, and like a basic vocabulary. Okay, you do that. Now let's actually let me show you an example. First, I'm going to put some, for example, would be, come on now, let me think. Yeah, some basic, words and its definition. So, yeah, for me, I'm going to put for animals. Yeah, why not? I kind of like animals. They're tough. So here, what what tough animal should I put here? Oh yeah, a lion. Here we crocodile, shark, and let's just say last one would be oh, a bear. Yeah, these are tougher animals. So yeah, I'm gonna search up the definition and yeah, copy paste it. My bad. Now the first word is gonna be the first term I put. Sorry about that. Yeah, the first term over here is lion. So we're gonna search that up. All right, be specific. Well, the lion definition. Yeah, I'm gonna put this. Take this. Let's run it. See how it comes out. So yeah, there we have it. A lion. A large, tawny, colored cat that lives in prides. So this is a lion. I'm going to do the same for the other three. So crocodile. I'm just going to make the definition. I'm not going to make it too long. So yeah. How can I? Hold on. Let me put this in a new line. Hope I can do that. Go here. I'm going to put some new line. Yeah. Good. Sorry. Crocodile. No. A shark. Finally, the bear. Yeah, there it is. Now we have our complete list, complete, description list. Let's see how it comes out. Hey, here it is. Now, notice how after line, yeah, notice after a line, yeah, we indented it, so indented the definition. And, instead of being it here, starting here, and it started here. Yeah, line, the large, tawny colored cat that lives in prides. And same thing here, crocodile, a large predatory semi-aquatic reptile with long jaws, long tail, short legs, and a horny textured skin. There we have shark, same thing, we indented. The new line we indented. A long-bodied, chiefly marine fish with a cartilaginous skeleton, a prominent dorsal fin, and tooth-like scales. Finally, a bear. A large, heavy mammal that walks on the soles of its feet, having thick fur and a very short tail. So yeah, first the DL tags, description list. So we asked it to, this is going to be a description list. And then after that we put DT, description term, which is lion, crocodile, shark, and bear. And then in the description definition, we indented it, and yeah, there's the definition. It's not just, used for like just a word, just a term and a definition. It can also be used for questions, like I'm gonna start a new description list. I'll just keep it here. E here. I'm gonna put a question. I'm gonna put like, where does the bear live? Or not that. Where do bears live? Where do bears live? My answer is going to be bears live in the woods. Are kid. And the mountains. Be just as simple. So, yeah, for a question, start DT, start here, and then for the description, hit attentive, and you have the def description. And that'll be all for today's video. And yeah, I talked to you with 3 different types of lists. And thank you all for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.